Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the corrosion control by the cathodic protection. As we discussed, the corrosion will happen when metal will act as anode when it is exposed to the corrosive environment. If the metal will act as anode, then it will undergo oxidation, which leads to the corrosion process. If the protection of metal is done by making completely it cathodic, there is no site of anodic parts will be there on the metal, so that metal entirely will behave as cathode and it will prevented from the corrosion. That this method is called cathodic protection, where metal object is converted into the cathode. Here there are two methods are there. First one is sacrificial anodic method and second one is impressed current method. In the sacrificial anodic method, our metal structure, which is we are going to prevent from the corrosion, that it will made as cathode, and so that it will prevented from the corrosion. That metal structure is connected to the more active metal through the insulated copper wire. That time our metal structure will act as cathode and active metal will act as anode. The metal which will undergo anode process, that will undergo corrosion. So in this process metal structure becoming is here cathode, so that it will be prevented from the corrosion. This can be explained through this diagram. Here iron pipe is present in the soil. In the soil minerals are there, it may in contact with moisture also, it may in contact with water also, so that here it will undergo this iron pipe will undergo corrosion. If we wanted to prevent the corrosion of this iron pipe, so that we have to connect this iron pipe with more active metal. Here I am going to connect this iron pipe to the more active metal magnesium through insulated copper wire. That time it will looks like a differential metal corrosion. Here more active metal will act as anode and less active metal, that is our iron pipe, it will act as cathode. More active metal will undergo oxidation and it leads to corrosion, but our iron pipe will acting as a cathode here and it is prevented from the corrosion. In this method magnesium itself is sacrificed to save the iron pipe here, and this method is sacrificial anodic method. Advantages of this methods are, this method is very simple and economical. No extra power supply requirement is there for this method. Minimum maintenance cost will be there for this method. That's all the advantage of this sacrificial anodic method. And disadvantage is we are going to lose the active metal here, because active metal itself is acting as anode and it will undergo corrosion. Application of this sacrificial anodic method is used for the protection of oil tank, ship hulls and underground cables. Next method in the cathodic protection that we are going to discuss is, that is the impressed current method. In the corrosion process we have discussed that when the metal will undergo oxidation, that it will produce the electron and that electron will travels towards the cathodic part of the metal, and this is called corrosion current. We have to apply the external current so that it will nullify the corrosive current, and here it will prevent the oxidation process of metal, so that metal structure will prevented from the corrosion. Here iron pipe is there present in the wet soil. If we wanted to prevent the corrosion of this iron pipe by using impressed current method, we have to apply the more current from the external sources, so that it will nullify the corrosive current. Here iron pipe is connected to the cathode terminal of external source, and anode terminal is connected to the graphite anode. So here what will happen, iron pipe will act as a cathode and graphite will act as a anode, so that our metal structure is acting as a cathode here, so it is prevented from the corrosion, and this method is impressive corrosion process. Usually here anode we are going to use here graphite or platinum, along with the has a inert anode along with the backfills composed of coke. Advantage of this method are large area can be protected by the single insulation application in the high resistivity environment. Disadvantage is method is expensive due to the requirement of high current. If it is difficult to maintain uniform current over the entire metal surface, as a result localized corrosion will occur. Applications of these methods are this method is used for the protection of oil pipeline, towers and water tanks.